Make your Windows PC look like macOS with a simple dock, clean icons, beautiful wallpapers, and a modern design without installing macOS. Check my video description for this required files. Once download done, select the wallpaper you like and select set as background. Once done, open Mac OS cursors. Again, open the folder and open number one, no shadow, normal, and right click on install and select install option. Select yes. Click on the drop down and select Mac OS no shadow and then select apply and okay. Select yes. Okay. Once this done, go back to downloads. Now you can install the rain meter. Standard installation next. Install. Select finish. Once the rain meter install done, right click on this default rain meter skin and select unload skin option. Once done, double click on this RM skin, select install. Go to widgets and turn on clock, continue and calendar. Once you turn on both, just close this widget. You can add more things if you want. Now open the release folder and double click on this register and select run option. Select yes. Click on OK. Wait for this to done. Once this done, you can now close. Right click on taskbar and select taskbar settings. Expand taskbar behaviors and automatically hide the taskbar. Check mark this and close stuff here. Go back to downloads and double click on this my dock finder. Double click on this dock underscore 64. Allow and everything is done. Right click on the desktop and select view show desktop icons. Just do this and that's it. We done all the work. It's the final look. It looks so real. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more.